Hello everyone, my name is Roman and let me show you something. Say hello to YouTube.
Hello, YouTube. Wishing you an amazing day with lots of fun and exciting videos.
Okay. Can you tell me a funny joke, please?
Why can't you give Elsa a balloon? Because she will let it go.
Do you know how to program with Linux?
I can provide guidance on programming with Linux. Whether you're interested in using specific programming languages, setting up a development environment, or understanding Linux commands and tools, feel free to ask for details on what you'd like to learn or do.
How smart are you?
I'm designed to assist with a wide range of questions, provide information, and help with tasks as best as I can. My abilities are based on the data and algorithms used to create me. So while I can handle many tasks, there are still limitations to my understanding and capabilities. How can I assist you today?
Okay, let me show you what is going on here. So let me first disconnect everything. I have this DIY connection to this speaker. Okay, we'll turn it off. So actually, okay, I will plug it off. So basically what you're looking at is a T5-E1 ipex development board. So it is AI dev kit, T5 AI board. So basically in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to flash some simple project and how to use it. In my case it was AI Chatbot. I'm gonna be showing you everything. So yeah, so it took me some time to understand how to use it, how to properly program it. I'm not into programming, so yeah, I had to read some FAQs, I had to read some manuals, but finally I got it to work. Okay, so let me put this aside right now and let's look at my screen. Okay, so basically, okay, one moment. Okay, so let me show you. I hope you can see it. Okay, yes, you can totally see it, sorry. Okay, so this is the project that I'm gonna be showing you how to flash. Basically it's Tuya open chatbot, whatever. So yeah, it's here it is. So this is the project. I'm gonna be leaving a link to this project under video description, and yeah, so you won't have to search it. Okay, so first of all, in order to program this project, you would need Linux. If you have Windows Professional, you could basically install Debian or Ubuntu on your machine, and yeah, you could totally program it with, you could totally make a virtual Linux inside your Windows. Yeah. Just one more thing, you will need to install all latest updates, and basically you will be able to install Linux. Okay, so while this page is open, things you would need to do is like just copy those commands. Yep, just Ctrl+C, Ctrl+C, right click of your mouse button, but as I already have everything installed, whatever, okay, continue now. I'll click no because I already have this installed. So here was the first command, Ubuntu. Okay, so now next thing you would need to clone the project. Same way, open up, right click, enter. As you can see, in my case the folder already exists, so yeah. next thing, you would need to cd this folder. It should be your root folder. Okay, so next thing, you will copy this command. It is quite important. Don't forget to copy this command. Otherwise, you won't be able to use the TOS commands. Okay, so this TOS config choice, basically what this command does, you could actually select what kind of board you're using. So in my case, I hope you can see it. I'm using T5 AI board. Yep, it should be T5 AI. So I would just like select it. 9, great. Okay. After this done, so what we gonna do next is we actually gonna select our chatbot. So it's here. So basically, path to your chatbot is Tuya open apps Tuya AI, and we're gonna be flashing this your chatbot. Okay, so basically, since I'm in Tuya open folder already, I would need to cd only the your chatbot folder. So I just gonna scroll through commands. In my case, it will be looking like that. Yes, cd apps Tuya AI your chatbot. Great, I'm in chatbot folder. So next command will be TOS config choice. So basically here you could select what kind of board you're using. So in my case it's Tuya T5 AI, but I'm gonna select whatever board. Okay, let's select one. So I will press one. Okay, got it. Next thing, TOS menu config. This one is really important. So here you can configure your project. You can configure your chatbot. So here you could select press and hold button to start single conversation. Press the button once to start or stop the conversation. So I was using the first option. Just click space and yeah. So yeah, if you want to use chatbot while you're pressing this button, this key button, okay, you should select the first option. So I don't have a display, I'll just disable it. And actually the board I'm using is this first one, Tuya T5 AI board. Okay, so all the other configs should be default. Okay, save config. Great. So one more important thing here is that in order to connect to Tuya Cloud, you will need to acquire uuid. So I'm gonna be leaving link to this guide how to get uuid and the key, and it's not that hard. So basically you will need to register the developer account on the Tuya platform. I already made it, but I made it on my phone, so okay, whatever. First I'm gonna explain to you how it's done. You would need to create a product, select Tuya OS, protocol Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, function, just remove all optional functions. Here you could select how your app menu will look, but it's not important. Select the module and just select the Tuya OS. Okay, and now you will select your project, your board, whatever. It's not that important. What is important here is that you could get 2 free licenses, and you will get 2 keys and 2 UUIDs. Yeah, it's totally for free, and you will download them and open with Excel file, and you could totally use them. Okay, so in order, I will show you later how to flash the UUid to your board. So, okay, let's go back to the Linux. So here, after everything's done, okay, we were in the menu config, you will need to type the command tos build. Great. Okay, it's building our project. Actually, in my case, it won't take that much time. It's because I've already made the project. Okay, but just to show you how it's done, I'll plug my USB cable. Okay, great. It's Linux is compiling this project. It should be ready soon. So yeah. Actually, this board has quite a lot of things you could do with it. In this video, I'm just showing you the most basic project to use. Yeah, so that's how this board looks. You have like Type-C connection for the voltage for the power and for the programming. You have like USB flash drive port Type A and the micro SD card slot. So yeah, it has a Wi-Fi connection and the Bluetooth, but just remember that the Wi-Fi should be 2.4 gigahertz. Okay. Okay, our project is done. So what we're gonna do next, if you're using Windows like I do, here you should be able to download Windows TU tool. It's just a flashing tool, whatever. Let me close it up. Just close it. Okay. After your project is compiled, so what you need to do is you go to your Tuya directory in Linux. Here you could just search for Tuya open. Here, okay. You click apps. You click Tuya AI. You click your chatbot because we were flashing chatbot. You click on build. Bin folder, and here you go. You have like 3 files. So we will need this your chatbot QIO file. It's the most important file. For the 2 others you don't actually need them. So what you're gonna do next, you just copy it somewhere. I guess it should, I don't know, downloads folder. As you can see, I already have this one, so I'm not gonna pasting it. Okay, so our firmware, our chatbot is in the downloads folder. So what we gotta do next, we plug this board inside with USB Type-C cable. Okay, great. So we don't need Linux. Just in case, if you would want to, if you have some problems and if you want to clean your project, just type in tos space full clean and it will delete any data. So yeah, tos full clean. So what we're gonna do next is right click on your flashing tool, run as administrator. Okay. So first we need to select our firmware. Okay, I think it was this one, downloads folder, open. Port number, you click on rescan. In my case it's COM5. It is COM4 or COM5. In my case it's COM5. If COM4 doesn't work for you, just select your other port. The baud rate is not that important, just stick with 91600. Start 0, 0. In chip you would select T5 AI and T5-E1. Okay, so currently everything is done. So you would click start, and as you can see, LED is glowing. So you would need to press the reset button. Sometimes you need to press it like 5 times, whatever. I'll just press and hold it. Yes, okay. So when you see that this green bar is you see this green bar, okay, just wait for your board to get its firmware. Sometimes if you get an error, maybe you press the reset button twice, you would just need to disconnect the board and turn this program off, run it once again with administrator rights, and yeah, and you're good to go. So the board is getting programmed. I hope you could properly see everything. When it is done, the last thing that we will need is okay, Tuya. Actually, I already have my uuid and a key, so yeah, but I'm just gonna show you what you need to do next. Okay, reboot done, and as you can see, the board works. So what you're gonna do next, you click on serial, click on COM, in my case it was COM5, you will click start, you will click authorize, and here you would need to enter uuid and out key. When you acquire them, just copy paste uuid here and the key, place it here, and just click authorize. Okay, whatever, I'm gonna show you how it's done. Gonna copy mine, but please don't use it. Okay, uuid, we got this. The key, same way, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, got it. Okay, authorize, authorization right success. Okay, and now in order to use this bot as a chatbot, as you remember, you need to press the button to talk, whatever. Yeah, so in order to use it, I've made a screen recording. So basically you will need to download Tuya Smart app. Okay, I'll pause it. You would need to enable the Bluetooth and the location. You don't need an account for that, but you could totally make one. So you click on this plus icon, add. Okay, here is our chatbot. I'm gonna skip this part because it will ask you for your Wi-Fi and your Wi-Fi password. Just remember, you would need to use a Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz because the Wi-Fi 5 gigahertz doesn't work. Okay, you'll click on your chatbot. You'll select your Wi-Fi network and you will enter the password, and you'll just wait for bot to connect. So I'm just gonna click here. Your board will start connecting to your Wi-Fi. You will need to wait like I don't know, 10 seconds, 20 seconds. Okay, the chatbot is added to your account. So here you could select the chatbot, you could select its voice and the language. So yeah, you could create your own one if you want. So here you have like language, just select your language. So it has English, it has Russian and all the other languages. Okay, so the model is okay, here is the voice. You could select the voice you want to use. Also you could select the volume for your chatbot. Yeah. And also you could select the model. Currently it's GPT 4.0. Okay, let me power this off, and basically you're done. You will need some kind of speaker. I'm using this one, and as you remember, I selected here, here. I could change it anytime I want. I would toss menu config, configure app. So yeah, press and hold button to start a single conversation, whatever, press the button once to stop the conversation, just select one of those. Yeah, and you're good to go. You press this button, you talk, and the chatbot will respond to you. Of course, there is like chat history in your app, so yeah, you can totally use it as a chatbot, and app will save your history, what you were asking your chatbot. Yeah, so basically that's how it goes. Let me show you this bot once again. That's how it looks. It's actually quite nice. It's Tuya T5-E1. Yes, T5 AI board. Here it says T5-E1 ipex. Yeah. So in the future, I hope I could make flash more complicated project, but basically for this video I was flashing the chatbot. Yeah, just to show you that's how to do it. So yeah, I hope you have like Windows Professional, because only on the Windows Professional, no, don't need it. You could install the Linux virtual machine and flash it. Yeah, and but maybe if you have, you could basically make a dual boot for your PC or laptop if it allows that. But in my case, the easiest way was to just install a virtual Linux machine to install this chatbot. Yeah, so acquire the UUid and a key from this guide. I will leave link under description. Compile your project, flash your project, enter the UUid and a key, and connect your chatbot to the speaker, and you're good to go. You can use it to play with it. Yeah. Okay. Links to this bot I'm gonna leave under video description, so yeah, you could check it out. And also specs to this bot I will leave under video description. So okay, Roman Fedorenko was with you. I hope you could have fun with this bot. Yeah, I hope my tutorial was helpful. Press thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day or evening, and goodbye.